Hey, what's up, guys? So I just wanted to show you guys this cool car that I saw at the shop here. Looks like it's well, 15 to 17 Mustang. It's really cool though. He's got a really cool front splitter on this thing. This is a track car. He's got the tow hook here. Looks like he's got a carbon fiber hood on here, which looks awesome. You can actually see inside the engine here, which is really cool. It's got a really big rear wing on this thing. Looks kind of cool. Show you guys the inside. So the door's gutted. It's got a nice roll cage, and the roll cage is painted the same color as the car, which is really cool. It's got a set of Sparkle racing seats in it. Rear seat delete. Looks like it's got a fire extinguishing system in it, which is really neat. But yeah, thought I'd show you guys this quick video. Took the roof, you know, everything's gutted in here. The roll cage up there too. So I figured I'd just show you this. I thought this was pretty cool, so I figured I'd show you guys. If you guys would kind of enjoy this. Normally don't see too many race cars, so yeah. Just wanted to show you guys another cool car. I believe it's a real Saline Cobra. Not 100% sure, but it's like I believe it's like a 90s Cobra though, like early or late 90s. The weird thing is it doesn't have the Saline seats, which is interesting. So nothing else is Saline. So kind of neat looking. I do really like the Saline rear bumper. I like that a lot. I think that's pretty cool. So I just kind of want to show you guys. You guys get a first glance at Full Tilt's new their brake kit. It's the GT350R. So all S-197 cars, you can buy the front brakes that come on the 350R. And I've driven a 350, and I've driven their white car that has this kit on it, and it's absolutely ridiculous. So, but yeah, so I just kind of want to show you guys that. They just put it on this car, and yeah, I think they look pretty great, and they stop ridiculous.
19-inch wheel.
Yes. So also to keep in mind, if you do upgrade to the 350R brakes, you're going to have to go to a 19-inch wheel. And obviously you're going to have to play around and do some research on what kind of offset you need to clear the brakes. So that's something to consider too. But yeah, pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. And I'll see you guys in the next video.